Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use WhatsApp Business. So first is you have to download the application, and then once you're done, you just have to sign up for an account. So here you just have to agree and continue. So just click on this button right here at the bottom of your screen, this one, and then you just have to use a phone number. Okay, so you can use a different number or use this default number of yours. So you just have to choose any of the two. And right here, just have to click on continue to move your chat history, media and contact information. Allow WhatsApp Business to access your contacts and your devices, photos, media, and files. So just click on continue, and then just have to allow WhatsApp Business to access your contacts. So just simply click on allow. And once you're done, you're now connecting. So right here, a code has been sent to your phone number. So you just have to copy that code and then paste it right here or type it manually. Okay, and then click on a check. And then it's now verifying. As you can see, the verification process is complete. Now the transfer is in progress. And once it's done, you can add here your profile picture. So just click on this add icon and then just go to gallery or camera or your avatar. For this video, I'm going to choose the avatar profile photo. So you'd be redirected to this page. Now, you just have to customize your avatar. So you have to create your avatar with a photo. And then after creating your avatar, we can now proceed to the next process. And if you want to use a photo from your gallery, so just simply click on this add button again and then go to your camera or gallery. So since we're done, we can now proceed to the category. So just click on the category, and then right here, you just have to select your category. Okay, for example, apparel or clothing, or you also have the arts and entertainment, or you can also use the search bar at the top and search for a specific category for your business on WhatsApp. Now that you have your category, you can also click on the show more options right here, and then you just have to type out your business name. So make sure to type out your business name right here. For example, your business is about thrift shop, so you just have to type it out right here, and then you can type out your description. Okay, so make sure to type out your description because it is very important for your business. So for example, women clothing and accessories. So don't forget your location as well. So you just have to click on this location option and then type out your location. So you can update your location or edit the address. Now just have to wait, and then as you can see, you have the Google storage backup right here. So you can select the backup frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or never. So you also have the include videos or backup using cellular, so you can toggle these switches right here. So for example, you have selected a backup frequency, so make sure to choose an account, and then once you're done, just have to click on next or done. Okay, so we just wait for a few seconds, and then you'd be directed to this page. So you just have to confirm everything, and then just click on done. Now you can create a catalog. So to start, just click on the get started, and then right here you can add an item to create your catalog. So you just have to simply click on this plus icon right here, and then it's now creating your catalog, so you can add items to your catalog. Okay, so right here you can add images for your catalog, the item name, and then of course the price and the description as well. And after creating your catalog, you can go ahead and click on your business profile. So we're going to see here all of the details and information of our profile. So now you just have to scroll down and go to the business hours section. So just click on this business hours section right here, and then you can schedule or select your business schedule. So you can go with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So you just have to select any of this. So if you think your available time for your business is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., so you can set that up. And once you're done with your schedule, so after editing your business hours, you're gonna proceed to adding your email address. So below the schedule, you just have to click on this email and then make sure to type out your email, your active email address right here, and of course your website if you want to. You can also add a Facebook or Instagram, so just click on this add Facebook or Instagram. So by adding your Facebook and Instagram to reach more customers, to make it easy for people to get in touch with you. Okay, so now going back here, let's go ahead and check our catalog once again. So we just click on the catalog and add a new items. And then after that, you will then just have to upload your images, and then you have the item name, the price, and the description as well. So you just go ahead and click on the item name, and then once you're done, we can now proceed to the next process. Now just click on the advertise section right here. You can now create your first ad, so just click on the get started button at the bottom center of your screen. Now right here you can upload videos or photos. And right here for the messaging, you can create your greeting message, so you can welcome your new customers automatically. So you just have to click on it, and then you just have to make sure to toggle the switch on right here so you can send greeting message to your new customers. And for the away message, so you can set it up as well, so just click on it so you can send the away message automatically when you are away. Okay, so you just have to toggle the switch on. And then right here, you just have to scroll down and go ahead and type out your quick replies right here. So you can add or edit your quick replies. Now for the labels, so you can add labels right here. And then after that, going back here, add a tab and click on the chats option. And right here, you can send new messages. So you just have to go and select your contacts. And then right here, you can go ahead in the update section and the call section to check if there are any updates or for your calls history. Now going back here in your home page, let's go ahead and check our settings. So just click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and select settings. So right here, you've got the business tools. So when you clicked on it, you've got the security notifications, your passkeys, your email address, and so on. And right here, you can also go to your privacy section. So just click on it and be able to see your black contacts and the disappearing messages as well. You just have to explore this section. And then to get the QR code for your business, just click on this icon right here, and then you just have to click on the share code option at the bottom center of the screen. And then you can use different social media platforms to send this to your customers or to your friends to get in touch with your business. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.